Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. If you happen to be new here, I do restorations every Wednesday, and on Sundays I do flea market hauls. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to be working on this old antique heater. It doesn't work, it's completely seized up. But we're going to take this thing apart and we're going to create something totally different out of this. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well we got this fantastic looking Art Deco heater. This thing is very, very heavy. Real thick gauge steel. The chrome definitely needs some cleaning. The motor and everything about the internals is shot. So I think we're gonna strip this thing out, gut it completely out, give it a real good clean job, and we're going to convert this into a lamp. I say we jump right into it. Start taking some hardware off this thing. A whole bunch of screws. They are absolutely everywhere on this thing. Let me grab a little parts tray. And we're just going to start loading up all the screws and stuff in that. Yeah, there's a bunch of screws everywhere. Not sure what that's doing. Right there's the feet. Nose is running. Snap this little beauty ring off this. Okay, so there's both sides of that. There we go. It's going to probably prove to be a pain in the butt to try and get back on. But I am up for the challenge. Those I don't think are nuts. What are they? Are they screws? Well, there is one of them. The other one is wanting to be a little difficult. We got that off there. Here's the handle. The trim, the beauty ring that goes around it, that came off nice. So we're going to have to figure out how to pop this grill out. We're going to hold off on that. I want to get all the guts out of this first. Because like I said, this heater is shut. Oh, there's a screw down bottom. Wow, super filthy. I do need the washers and nuts to this though. That off there. It's a little spindle of some sort. I need some wire cutters. guys can see, I'm doing a little bit of rearranging in the shop. I got, wow, that's some tough stuff. Got my Craftsman box moved over to where it originally was when I started this channel. Back over here into this corner. Alright, let me get this out of here. There's the stuff we don't need. Get rid of all that. But I do want to try and get this grill out of here. I just don't know how those are put in place. Doesn't look like screws. Not quite sure what that is. Are they tabs? Well, I'm going to take a couple of minutes to work on these, see if I can't get these grills out. Hopefully I can, and it'll make this a lot easier to clean up. But before I get started on those, I want to throw the feet and the handles on the wire wheel, get these cleaned up and get as much paint off there as possible. So let's head over there. Alright, I finally figured out how to get that grill out. These are little itty bitty tiny little clips. These things are such a pain in the butt to get out, but I did get them out, and the grill should just pop right out just like that. So that's going to make it a lot easier to clean this and get that looking the best we can. So that is quite cool. I am happy for that. Let's come over to this one and we'll try this all over again. There we go. All broken apart. Alright guys, we're going to go over it with some primer, get this thing sealed up, stop it from rusting. We're just going to do a quick coat on there, nothing crazy, and then we'll go over it with a color coat. That's damn near the original color. It's crazy, huh? I do kind of like this color. This is if I'm not mistaken, I think it's discontinued already. I've got a case of this that I ordered. Along with a flat washer and the nut. Tighten that up. Probably going to be too big. Sure we can cut that down now. I do have wire strippers. I don't know why I'm messing around with this way, but there we go. Are you kidding me? It was right here on the table. What an idiot. What an idiot. Not the brightest star, guys. Alrighty, guys. Well, what do you think? The repurposed heater. We converted this old heater that was completely shot. We gave her a paint job, cleaned up the chrome, put a light in it, and we converted this into a nice little light for the house. How cool is that, right? Let's get the light shut off, see what it looks like. Woo! Look at the soft glow on that. It's not really doing it any justice, but yeah, that's pretty cool looking. I like the waves that the light puts out from the grill. That is quite cool, and I'm pretty happy with that. Just a little bit of something, messing around in the shop. Alrighty, guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. We totally saved that little Art Deco heater. Of course, we couldn't use it as a heater anymore. That's unfortunate, but I think we made it just as good. We converted it into a lamp, and I am completely happy with it. That will probably just go right in one of my kids' rooms. And that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.